In this video, we're going to record our first audio clip into Ableton Live. Firstly, we need to set our input-output routing. So click the input-output button, or use the shortcut Command, Option and I. We can now select External from our MIDI from drop-down menu. This allows us to take MIDI from our sound card. We can run anything into our sound card, such as drum machines, synthesizers, keyboards or microphones. Now we can select what input channel to select from the external in. In this case, let's choose External in 5 and 6. We also want to make sure that our monitor is set to auto and that our audio track is armed. Now I can play some notes on my analog synthesizer and we can see this audio in live. We want to make sure our signal is of a decent level when coming into the mixer. It needs to be strong enough to be heard. This can range anywhere from -24 decibels to 0 decibels. 0 decibels is also known as unity. The signal should never exceed unity or 0 decibels. Many producers and myself aim to record in at between -12 and -6 decibels. If the signal is too hot going into live, then it will cause clipping and distortion. The meters will go red to show this. Remember that changing the volume fader alters the output volume and not the input volume going into live, so this will not solve the issue of clipping. The volume must be reduced at the preamp or the input. Setting the gains nice and level like this throughout live to prevent clipping is known as gain staging. So now we're ready to record an audio track. Once again, we can do this using the clip record buttons or using the session record button. We can then launch our recorded clips as well as look back and edit them. We can also record an audio track with devices already on it. This is a useful technique, especially when monitoring a vocalist whilst recording, as many vocalists like to monitor their voice back with reverb already applied to it, so they can get a feel for how it's going to sound when it's finished. In the next video, we're going to take a look at MIDI and key mapping.